Hello, everyone! Today we are going to make the heart patch of the strawberry cow. Start by wrapping the yarn around. Then make a slip knot. Next, make 2 chain stitches. Make them looser. We're going to crocheting in the second chain from hook. This is the first one. This is the second one. Just crochet into this chain stitch hole. You can refer to the pattern or follow along with me in order to complete it. First, we make a double crochet. Then 1 double crochet again. Great! The second double crochet complete. Then we make the half double crochet. The first one. The second one. To half double crochet complete. Then make 1 double crochet. Next, make the half double crochet, the first one. The second one. Next, make 2 double crochet, the first double crochet. The second double crochet. At last, make 2 chain stitch and slip stitch. Fasten off. Great! The heart patch is complete. If you have any problems during crocheting, please feel free to contact us via email. We will reply to you as soon as we receive it.